Good morning, students. Today our class is English and we will read Unit 2 Poem Geography Lesson written by Zulfikar Ghosh. Before reading this, I want to read the paragraph of this poem from textbook. Can you imagine what your city would look like if you saw it from 10,000 feet above the ground? Neatly planned and perfect in proportion, like a geometric design. It would strike you as something very different from what it actually is while you are in the thick of it. Here is a poet's description of just such a view of the city and some questions that come to his mind. So, let's start the poem. When the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. Seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile, there seems an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned, and without style when the jet sprang into the sky. When the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities, where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. The logic of geography, that land and water attracted man, was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet. When the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear the earth was round and that it had more sea than land. But it was difficult to understand that the men and on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build walls across cities and to kill. From that height, it was not clear why. You read this poem 2 or 3 times and you will understand the summary. Now I will read the summary of this poem. The poem is about the way earth looks from different altitude. It is divided into 3 parts. When the jet takes off and starts to climb up in the sky, you can have full height view of the city. The city grew as per its necessity and did not grow as per proper planning. It does not have any particular style. With the rising up of the jet, the map of the city down below shows the length of a mile corresponding just to 6 inches. When the jet climbs higher up to above 10,000 feet, he could apprehend the fact that cities grew on river resources. Water fulfilled the necessities like agriculture, transport, business and others. He found that valleys were populated, which met the necessities of the people. When the jet went above 6 miles, there is more water than land on the earth. While appreciating the geographical niceties of our planet, the poet is unable to understand the tendency to build borders, to erect walls, to erect fences. Then he reflected that people on earth are selfish and narrow and they hate each other. He found the earth to be one but not the people living on the earth. They are divided by shallow concerns. The poet implies that we should realize that if God made earth in one undivided whole, so is humanity in spite of our racial, cultural and ethnic differences. Why we still hate or kill each other is beyond the poet's understanding. So this is the summary. I hope you will understand. Next class we will complete the workbook. Okay, see you in next class. Thank you very much.